Your motorcycle deserves better. These 10 harmful habits could be quietly ruining your bike. Learn how to prevent the damage before it's beyond repair. One of these habits is something nearly every rider does without realizing, and it's wrecking your engine. Stay with us to discover what it is. Let's jump in. 1. Aggressive braking and acceleration. Modern motorcycles are built tough and can handle a lot, but that doesn't mean they're immune to damage from poor riding habits. While rapid acceleration and hard braking may feel exciting, these habits can seriously shorten your bike's lifespan and raise maintenance costs. Sudden throttle twists strain the clutch and drivetrain, speeding up wear and risking mechanical failure. Likewise, abrupt braking wears out brake pads and discs much faster, leading to more frequent replacements. Over time, these aggressive habits can result in expensive repairs and reduce your bike's safety and reliability. Think of your brake pads like erasers. Every time you slam the brakes, you grind a bit more off. Repeated hard braking not only burns through your pads quickly, but also puts stress on the discs, raising the chance of costly repairs. The solution? Ride smoother. Use gradual throttle inputs and anticipate traffic flow to avoid slamming the brakes. These small changes protect your bike's parts, improve safety, and make every ride more enjoyable while saving you money in the long run. 2. Skipping. Regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your motorcycle's engine, essential for keeping it running smoothly and extending its lifespan. It lubricates internal components, minimizes friction, and helps regulate engine temperature for optimal performance. Skipping routine oil changes can lead to serious problems. Over time, oil collects dirt, metal shavings, and combustion residue, turning into sludge that loses its protective properties. Dirty oil causes engine parts to grind together, increasing wear, reducing efficiency, and risking severe overheating or engine failure. The consequences? Accelerated damage, poor performance, and costly repairs. The fix? Stick to regular oil change intervals. Follow your manufacturer's guidelines, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, though your riding style and conditions may require adjustments. High-performance bikes or extreme environments may need more frequent changes. Don't forget to replace the oil filter each time. A clean filter removes debris and ensures the new oil can do its job effectively. Staying on top of oil maintenance is one of the simplest, most effective ways to keep your motorcycle reliable, efficient, and ready for the road. 3. Neglecting chain maintenance. When should you lubricate your chain? Your owner's manual probably offers a general interval, but that's more of a guideline than a rule. Here's a better approach. Lubricate your drivetrain anytime it appears or sounds dry. The chain is one of the hardest working and most vital parts of your motorcycle. It transfers power from the engine to the rear wheel under constant tension and high speeds. Without regular care, it's highly vulnerable to wear. A neglected chain can stretch, wear unevenly, or even snap, potentially leaving you stranded and creating a major safety risk. Regular maintenance is key to keeping both you and your bike protected on the road. The solution? Clean and lubricate your chain consistently. Use a proper chain cleaner and brush to remove built-up dirt and grime. Then apply a quality chain lubricant to reduce friction and extend its life. Also check chain tension frequently. Too tight or too loose will cause premature wear and reduce efficiency. A well-maintained chain means better safety, smoother performance, and improved fuel economy every time you ride. 4. Riding with underinflated tires. Underinflated tires are more than a minor inconvenience. They create serious safety and performance issues. They reduce fuel efficiency, weaken handling, and raise the risk of sudden blowouts. On top of that, underinflation causes uneven tread wear, meaning you'll need to replace tires more often and at a higher cost. This not only strains your budget, but also affects your motorcycle's performance and lifespan. Impact example. Imagine taking a sharp turn with low tire pressure. Your bike responds slower, handling feels unstable, and control becomes unpredictable. On wet or slick roads, reduced grip greatly increases the risk of sliding out, turning an ordinary ride into a dangerous one. Solution: make checking tire pressure part of your routine. Invest in a good quality pressure gauge and inspect your tires before every ride. Adjust pressure to match the manufacturer's guidelines, especially when carrying extra weight. Keeping your tires properly inflated boosts safety, improves control, extends tire life, and delivers a smoother, more confident riding experience every time. 5. Using cheap aftermarket parts. Opting for budget aftermarket parts might save you money up front, but it often compromises quality, reliability, and safety. These components are usually made with substandard materials and lack the precise engineering of original equipment manufacturer parts, leading to early failures and serious risks. While cheap replacements may seem cost-effective, the potential dangers often far exceed the initial savings. 6. Dragging the rear brake. My motorcycle was acting up. After just 2 miles, it felt like I was pulling a trailer. I had to stop quickly before the engine bogged down and stalled. Overusing the rear brake causes it to overheat, lose stopping power, and wear out faster. It's a common mistake for beginners or those used to driving cars. Solution: master proper braking technique. Always use both brakes together with more pressure on the front brake for effective stopping. Practice in a controlled environment to build muscle memory and confidence. Good braking habits not only improve safety, but also extend the life of your braking system. 7. Skipping air filter maintenance. A clogged air filter starves your engine of airflow, cutting power and fuel efficiency. It makes the engine strain harder, accelerating wear and damage. Solution: inspect and clean your air filter regularly, especially when riding in dusty environments. Replace it as outlined in your manual. A clean air filter is key to maintaining peak engine performance and longevity. 8. Parking outside. Uncovered. Always use a weather-resistant cover when leaving your bike outdoors or store it in a garage if possible. If not, choose shaded or protected areas to reduce exposure. A small effort in shielding your motorcycle can significantly extend its life. 9. Poor riding technique. If you're a seasoned street rider exploring adventure riding and plan to take your bike off-road, technique matters. Improper cornering, riding at high RPMs, or overusing the clutch leads to premature wear on key components. Poor form also raises your risk of crashes. Solution: enroll in a rider training course or ride with experienced mentors. Developing better technique not only preserves your motorcycle, but also builds your confidence and safety on the road. Remember, smooth equals fast. Mastering fundamental skills will pay off over time, making you a more skilled and capable rider in every situation. 10th. Poor trailer setup. Hauling your bike the wrong way can lead to scratches, serious damage, or even it falling off the trailer. Improper tie-down methods are often to blame. Solution: use a quality trailer and heavy-duty tie-down straps. Secure the bike with multiple anchor points, keeping it upright and stable. Always double-check before you drive off. Breaking these 10 bad habits won't just save you money on repairs, it'll also boost your motorcycle's performance and extend its life. From routine upkeep to smart riding techniques, caring for your bike comes down to consistency and attention to detail. How many of these habits are you guilty of? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorcycle care tips.